Yes, ma'am. Can I get a sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle, the meal, with a large coffee with 3 creams and 1 Splenda?
Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I got a sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle meal with a large coffee, 3 creams, and add Splenda. That'll be 647 for Splenda. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes you just gotta start the morning off with some McGriddles from McDonald's. Had to run into town to get some of these 3-inch deck screws, so might as well swing by McDonald's. Get you a tasty McGriddle and a coffee. So I was almost out of these screws. All right, I gotta pay. Gotta go. Look what we got going on up here. Hey guys, welcome to Cold Beer Ranch. I'm John. In case you're new to the channel and don't know, I'm building a tiny house out in the woods, and we're calling it Cold Beer Cabin. So we're out here at the cabin right now, and we're gonna try to get some work done today. So stay tuned. This is where it all happens, at Cold Beer Ranch. I'm gonna address this area up here between the rafters. My decision that I gotta make though is, do I flush it up with the outside so that there's not a ledge for birds and critters to get up in there? Or do I flush it up from the inside and then like maybe I can use those hurricane straps and help support them up in there? I think I'm leaning towards the outside for the critter reason and bird's nest and stuff like that. But yeah, I want to get this done today, man. I want to get it completely dried in, you know, there's no gaps, and then I can start, you know, putting foam and caulking and making it really tight. So let me come over here and open up the windows, see if we can't get some air going in here. Had some showers last night, rolled in about 10 o'clock. I don't know, it rained for about an hour and a half or so. You can see there's water on the screens, but at least it didn't rain during the day and I was able to get some work done. So, that window's weird. Nice. All right, let me start making some decisions here and start cutting some wood and get this thing sealed up. I'll hit y'all back in a minute. So this will give you an idea of what I'm talking about. I just found a little scrap piece of wood. So that's a 2x6, which is what these joists are. And so I'm just gonna put those in between each one of the rafters all the way across to seal it up. So that's the plan anyways. And potentially, I don't know, in 1 or 2 spots, maybe I need some kind of vent for ventilation or airflow, or I just don't know. But I think the initial goal is to do something like that to seal it off. And shouldn't take, well, I always say it shouldn't take too long, and 4 hours later. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 2, which would be 16 pieces to cut. So that's the plan, and I think that's what we're gonna knock out today. So let's get started. There you go. You get an idea what it's gonna look like. It shouldn't be too hard to do. What's up, guys? I don't know if y'all noticed anything different looking up behind me above my head, but we have the gaps filled in between the joists. It wasn't that bad, you know, just some measurements and some cutting, but all the way across, man, it looks good. It's tight, clean. I'm glad I went with doing it on the outside instead of the inside, so that there's no ledge out here for birds to build nests or critters to camp out. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I still have to do the other side, as you can see in the background. So yeah, for the most part, the front part's done. Just one step closer every day, you know, just little bitty things, man, make all the difference in the world. Literally, once I get this back section done back here and get the door on, pretty sealed up, man. It's pretty tight. Then I can start doing like some of that foam and caulking, you know, on the little fine things to keep all the little bugs and spiders and stuff out. And then of course I can start insulating and putting up the paneling on the inside, whatever that is. Actually, rewind. I need to do the outside. I need to figure out what the heck I'm gonna do for the paneling on the outside, on the exterior. I just still hadn't decided yet. So, all right, guys, let me get busy on the other side. Here's a look at it from the inside. As you can see, sealed up. So, all right, catch y'all back in a minute. I may give y'all an inside view of it getting covered up. I don't know, we'll see. What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing today? Well, I got done. That is the lower side of the roof, and then if you look towards the front door, I got all those spacers in up there too. So that is awesome. It did not take as long as I thought it would. Just a little measuring, a little cutting, a lot of up and down on the ladder. But man, it looks cool. No more sunshine coming in up there. So you can see what it looks like from the outside here. Looks pretty sweet. Makes it look a little cleaner. Let me show you the other side over here. Go down the stairs. And if you look up there, you can see those are all finished as well. At least I think y'all can see that. Pretty exciting. I don't know what you call dried in, but I don't think any water can get in this bad boy. May need to put some, some sheathing over that. I don't know. Hadn't figured that part out yet. Maybe officially not completely dried in until we get the door on. Once the door's on, this bad boy's sealed up. So I don't know. I don't know what the definition is. Y'all leave down in the comments what y'all think the definition of dried in is, because there's a little competition still going on, and it's getting close. But anyways, hey, one step further, getting all those sealed off. And sorry, swinging y'all around so much. And starting to look really cool. I'm gonna need some solar, man. I'm gonna need to put some solar on the roof so I can get some lights all up in here so I can see. Thank goodness I got more windows, right? Yeah. Anyways, I don't know. We'll call that for a day. And next time, I don't know, man. Next time I can do a couple things. I gotta decide what I'm gonna do on the exterior siding. But I don't know, maybe next time get a door in? I don't know. Hey, I appreciate you guys coming along for the ride. This is Cold Beer Ranch. I'm John. If you're new to the channel, appreciate you coming. Hey, if you like the video, man, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You'll know when new videos are coming out. And appreciate all of you guys. Thanks for commenting and giving me an advice and feedback. Really helps me make my mind up and give me some alternatives as I build here. So thanks for that. Anyways, catch you guys next time here on Cold Beer Ranch. See ya.